5 reasons you will fall in love with UK. 1. Breathtaking nature from the rolling hills of the Lake District to the dramatic cliffs of Cornwall and the misty Scottish Highlands. The UK's landscapes are made for dreamers and photographers alike. 2. Timeless history walk through centuries of stories from ancient castles and Roman ruins to grand cathedrals and royal palaces. Every cobblestone in London, York, or Edinburgh whispers the past. 3. Vibrant city life. London's skyline, Manchester's music, and Edinburgh's festivals blend modern energy with old-world charm, offering culture, nightlife, and art on every corner. 4. Cozy culture. Tea rooms. In the UK, life slows down over a pot of tea. From quaint countryside cottages in the Cotswolds to hidden tea rooms in London's narrow lanes. Every cup tells a story of comfort and connection. Lace tablecloths, warm scones, clinking china, and friendly smiles create a timeless ritual. It's not just tea, it's the cozy soul of British culture, where tradition and hospitality meet in every sip. 5. Easy travel and diversity. Compact yet diverse, you can explore England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland within hours by train. Each region has its own accent, charm, and unique culture, making every journey new and exciting.